Welcome to Shuli Machinery. Today, we're putting our heavy-duty wood shaving machine to the test. Stable startup procedure. The blades are spinning up to full speed, ready for processing. Notice the immediate output. Uniform wood shavings. No powder, just clean, consistent curls. Running a continuous feed test here. This machine handles hardwood and softwood with equal ease. Look at the volume. This is a high-capacity output line, designed for factories that need tons of shavings per hour. Let's get a closer look. Consistent thickness, smooth surface, perfect for animal bedding, biomass fuel, or packaging fillers.
哦，这是用24晒孔门啊。哦，这打出来效果不错，效果不错，一根皮带，这非常好。